If you own any of these above-ground pools, you probably know the struggle. Leaves, dirt, bugs, and debris somehow always end up on the bottom, and cleaning it can be a pain. Most robotic cleaners cost hundreds of dollars, and some pool vacuums require hoses, pumps, and a bunch of setup. So when I found this cordless rechargeable pool vacuum that claims to make cleaning easy, I had to see if it actually works. Alright, let's take a closer look at what comes in the box. For a pool vacuum in this price range, I was actually surprised by everything that's included. You get the vacuum body, multiple extension poles, a cleaning attachment, the filter chamber, and 2 cleaning heads. Assembly is extremely straightforward. No tools required. Everything simply locks together. Without a minute, we are ready to clean. One thing I immediately noticed is how lightweight this vacuum feels. And if you've ever cleaned a pool with a heavy vacuum attached to air hose, you know how tiring that can get. And now the real question is, does it actually have enough suction power to clean a pool effectively? Let's find out! Immediately I can see debris being pulled into the collection chamber. That's actually better suction than I was expecting. The vacuum isn't just stirring the dirt around, it's actually removing it from the pool floor. I do have to say that's a lot of dirt for a couple minutes, but I just opened the pool. Cleaning the filter on this thing is also very simple. Just remove the head, take the filter out, dump the debris, give it a rinse from the garden hose and right back in for more action. After seeing how much dirt this vacuum picks up from the bottom of my pool, this thing really shocked me for its price and size. Coming into the end of this review, I wasn't expecting a miracle, and I've tested enough products to know that sometimes the marketing sounds great, but the actual performance tells a different story. But honestly, this vacuum surprised me. Just by opening the filter, it proves that it's not just stirring crap around the water, but actually removes it. The biggest advantage, for me, is the convenience. No hoses, no dragging equipment around the yard, no complicated setup. Just charge it, assemble it, and start cleaning. Now, is it perfect? No, but for small above-ground pool owners who want a quick, easy, and affordable way to keep their pool clean, I think this is a solid option. So if I would have to, I would buy it again. And if you are also interested in owning one, the link is in the description for purchase. If this review helped you make a better buying decision, do me a favor. Hit the like button. Subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.